Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Kent Gold Optima UF membrane storage water purifier. There's an image of what this water purifier is going to look like right over here. There's a lot of information here. It says world's best storage purifier, no chemicals like chlorine or bromine etc. used, and it comes with water quality platinum seal from, where does it come from? From Lackmore Rad actually, and sorry, IAPMO Research and Testing USA. System tested and certified by IAPMO Research and Testing. See what else do we have? What other information do we have? This is a water purifier. Gross weight is 2 kilos. Net weight is 1.7 kilograms. Box dimension is 220 by 245. I'm assuming centimeters. No, should be centimeters. Expected life of UF membrane is 4,000 liters. So you'll be able to purify at least 4,000 liters of water with this particular device. Do we have any other information? Alright, there's a diagram here that tells you how this particular purifier works. Basically, tap water goes in through the sediment filter, an activated carbon filter, and the UF membrane to give you pure water. And storage capacity for this particular purifier is 10 liters and it works without electricity. The very important specifications given here. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. So this is what you find inside the box. As you can see, there are a lot of components here. First up, we have a instruction handbook for installation, operation and maintenance of this particular storage water purifier. Everything that you want to know can be found here. It is a diagram that lists all the components of this box, and also how to install and assemble everything that can be done with this particular device is listed here. You should read it at least once. Actually, you need to read this to properly install this device at home. Let's take a look at the different components. This is the top lid. So this should go on top like this. This is basically the tank that goes on the top. So it goes on top like this. And this is the lid cover right over here. We also have an inlet funnel. So this is the inlet funnel that comes with. Over here it's written remove this flap at the time of installation. Let's just remove it right now. And over here you will see this is a filter, and these are basically activated carbon particles. As you can see, the activated carbon chunks. So it should be unscrewed when you're putting it in. I'm not going to do that right now because I will not be using it as of now. So I'm going to put it back in and show you how it goes in. In fact, it goes in like so, and it stays here. I'm going to put this lid right back on top, close it, and it stays inside like this. What do we have next? Next we have a middle partition. This goes over here basically, and underneath the lower tank will come in. This is the lower tank. The lower tank also has a couple of components. I'll show you. Let's put this here. Let's take a look at some of the smaller components here. This is the UV membrane filter. This is one of the major components. So there's a normal filter. That's the first layer of filtration. Then you have the activated carbon filtration that comes in this inlet tube. And now you have the UV filter. So this should go in over here. It comes out like this, and it gets attached basically over here. So if I remove this and this, there you go. It should get attached over here like so. Let me see if that works. Yep. Let's go in, and there you go. The filter is in. So now all that's left is to put in the tap mechanism. As you can see, this is the tap mechanism. The tap mechanism has to be fitted from the inside of the lower tank like so. So this goes in and you screw it in from the inside like so. Basically now your tap is ready. You'll notice that notice that it's fit from the outside, but you have to lock it in from the inside using this bolt over here, this nut over here. And there's also a washer in between that prevents this particular tap from leaking. It's also one of the elements that goes bad first. So now what happens is you put this middle partition over on top of the lower tank, then the top tank comes in like so, and finally you have the UV filtration system that goes in over here, followed by the, we'll just take it out just for the purpose of this video. This is the filter that goes in over here, the first filter, and finally you have the top cover. Let me just do this properly so that it doesn't wobble. It goes in from the top, and there you go. Slowly. Now basically your storage purifier is ready. Let me just close it properly so that it doesn't fall out. Additionally, there's this device that you can use to basically remove these parts from the tap and the filter. And there's this syringe, a 50 milliliter syringe for when you want to inject water into the UV membrane. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Kent Gold Optima UF membrane storage water purifier. Thank you for watching.